Happy New Year! So before we go to sleep, I want to show you the things that I received from my friends during this New Year's Eve. So I got this from France, and then from Christine. Then it's a prize from the games, and also this one. Tapos, what else? I also have another one from the lovebirds na sina Rika and Gel. So let's open them, guys, para kampante na tayo. Wala na tayong i-unbox later on. So for this one, with hyaluronic acid, I see. So it's a shower gel. Sobrang laki niya. It's made in Italy. So that's the first one. The second one, this is my prize sa ano bang game yun? Yung parlor games namin kanina, which is yung blow the candle. Tapos syempre, ito lang ang kinaya ko. Another chocolate. Alice Guten. So, milk chocolate. Tapos ito yung kay France. It's a belated Christmas gift. Let's see. Sabi ko na nga, it has coins na may chocolates. Tapos, so ibig sabihin dalawa na ang alkansya ko for this year. Sabi ko na nga ba may ganito na kasi ako. Kabibili ko lang din nung isang araw. Pero it's smaller. Tapos, iba tong niya. Ito yung akin. Look at this. Mas maliit siya. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng 20 euro. Panimula sa savings, kunyari. Yan. So, dalawa na ang bubunuin ko. And then, this is from Christine. Siguro sabon din ito. Yeah. Wow! I like it. Nice. So, it's a sunblock from Tessie. Yan.